Let's travel to Puerto Princesa, Palawan, and visit the world-renowned Subterranean River National Park.
Go spelunking at Ugong Rock Adventures.
And taking the view of the West Philippine Sea at Buenavista View Deck.
Plus, eat all you can for lunch.
All these and more only here on
I'm Taijiro. And I am Kiyo. And this is our little brother Seiji. Welcome to our channel, the Traveling Brothers PH.
We traveled to Puerto Princesa to visit the Underground River. The Puerto Princesa Underground River is located in Sabang, Puerto Princesa. It is 1 hour and 30 minutes away from the city proper.
We availed of a tour package from Tripedito. This includes van transfer, tour, environmental and entrance fees, a tour guide, plus lunch, all for the price of 2,000 pesos per person. We had two options for the tour. Option 1, drive to Buenavista View Deck, then proceed to the Underground River and wait for our turn at the cave. And Option 2, drive to Buenavista View Deck, spend our waiting time caving at Ugong Rock Adventures, and then proceed to the Underground River. We chose Option 2.
First stop, Buenavista View Deck.
Actually already the West Philippine Sea. You can see the West Philippine Sea from this view deck.
Tip: buy souvenirs at the viewing deck shop. Palawan is best known for its pearls and cashew products. But if you're on a tight budget, you can always go for some key holders and ref magnets. Next stop, Ugong Rock Adventures. For 300 pesos, you can already go spelunking.
Lubog sa tubig dagat noong unang panahon. 23 million years ago na po yung nakalipas. Makikita nyo po yung sa likod nyo.
Ugong Cave
Ayan
Rock.
po. Mayroon siya. Abot mo yan. Yan.
Ugong, may sound.
One more. Yan. Okay.
Let's go!
Dry algae. Clean air.
Next stop, Kakaoyan Forest Park and Restaurant.
Welcome to
Puerto Princesa Underground River National Park.
Ian. Where are you going? And you're going to ride that? No. Yeah, I'm getting there. Yes. You're here.
Underground River.
The underground river is located at the heart of the forest. It is also home to the Philippine macaque.
Tip, don't break plastic. Monkeys will snatch
Sa
them.
macaque.
Tip, visit during summer. The water gets murky when it rains.
Tip, wear a mask if you're sensitive to the smell of guano.
Tip, to avoid huge crowds, go early morning or after lunch.
The Puerto Princesa Underground River, or PPUR, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 wonders of nature.
It is also the world's longest subterranean river and is famous for its rock formations that resemble objects and people. Are you ready to discover its hidden gem? Let the cave tour begin.
What makes the underground river experience unforgettable is finding these rock formations amidst the darkness. A cacao, chayote, garlic, mushroom, bottle gourd, corn, peanuts, melted candle, the Holy Family, and the face of Jesus Christ.
These rock formations have been formed by elements of nature over millions of years, and the cave has been home to Palawan wildlife. With a little imagination, you can see familiar images. No wonder why this site is among the new 7 wonders of nature.
Welcome to the cathedral. In this section of the cave, you will see formations that resemble religious images, such as this angel. And not too very far from this angel is a giant melted candle. Who knows how many times this has been lit and blown out, but it's too big, it never gets completely melted. Up ahead is a figure of a person kneeling down to pray. concentrate and use your imagination, you will see images that look like people. Farther ahead is the image of the Holy Family with Joseph, Mary, and Jesus. But nothing can be more awe-inspiring than this iconic face of Jesus.
Welcome to the market section. Get your shopping carts ready, for we will be shopping for vegetables, starting with some garlic and corn.
And if you want to cook some soup, then you better take some of these giant mushrooms too. Imagine just how much mushroom soup you can cook with that.
We certainly can't get enough of these corns, but all coffee lovers out there would agree you could also eat a cacao and this giant peanut. It is definitely the world's hardest nut, don't you think? Now try cracking that.
We're not leaving yet until we have some bottle gourd and chayote. They're right here on aisle 3.
Nothing beats the feeling of being inside this cave and seeing these astonishing formations. Truly, only God can make something as grand as this, and something this grand is indeed a wonder of nature. Puerto Princesa Underground River, God's gift to nature,
Palawan's gift to the world.
And your next travel destination.
Thanks for watching. See you in our next adventure. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!